Hello, my name is Eda de Andante. For the past 15 years, my work has centered on business administration, social entrepreneurship, social and community development, social impact, and project management, primarily in the NGO and academic sectors. I also spent 4 years in a multinational financial institution where performance based systems are more structured and economically driven. Across these sectors, one question has consistently stayed with me. How do we compensate people fairly, especially in mission driven organizations, without undermining the intrinsic motivation that drives their work? This paper is my academic attempt to examine that question through a systematic review of the literature. Performance based compensation has become central to contemporary organizational strategy. From a managerial economics perspective, it aligns incentives, mitigates agency problems, and enhances productivity. Organizations increasingly rely on measurable performance indicators and salary systems linked to outcomes. On the surface, this appears rational and efficient. However, motivation is not purely economic, and this is where the tension begins. Intrinsic motivation, grounded in self determination theory, refers to engaging in work for inherent satisfaction, interest, and meaning. Research consistently shows that intrinsic motivation sustains long term engagement, creativity, and well being. Yet the literature presents conflicting findings. Some studies argue that the financial incentives can crowd out intrinsic motivation when perceived as controlling. Others suggest that well designed compensation systems may reinforce intrinsic motivation by signaling competence and achievement. This inconsistency formed the central problem explored in this review. A major limitation in existing research is fragmentation. My studies examine isolated elements of compensation rather than integrating multiple dimensions into a coherent system. Few systematic reviews synthesize compensation design while grounding intrinsic motivation in validated measures such as WEIMS. Therefore, this review aimed to examine the multidimensional nature of performance based compensation and to develop the integrative framework, the Performance Based Compensation Index. To ensure rigor and transparency, this study employed a systematic literature review guided by PRISMA 2020. A total of 110 records were initially identified across academic databases. After screening and applying inclusion, 16 empirical studies were included in the final synthesis. All selected studies focused on employee level data and intrinsic motivation grounded in self determination theory. This structured approach strengthens the credibility of the findings. The review revealed that performance based compensation is not a singular financial mechanism, it is multidimensional. Pay performance linkage refers to the perceived connection between individual effort and reward. Performance measurement clarity concerns the transparency and objectivity of evaluation systems. Reward differentiation reflects whether compensation meaningfully distinguishes levels of performance. And perceived pay fairness, grounded in organizational justice theory, strongly shapes how employees interpret compensation systems. These dimensions collectively influence perception. Intrinsic motivation, operationalized through the work and extrinsic and intrinsic motivation scale, reflects engagement driven by inherent satisfaction rather than external pressure. The literature consistently shows that intrinsic motivation thrives in autonomy, supportive environments where competence is affirmed. Conversely, excessive monitoring, rigid control, or opaque systems may weaken intrinsic motivation. Therefore, the issue is not merely the presence of incentives, but how they are perceived within the broader organizational context. The synthesis demonstrates that performance based compensation does not inherently enhance or diminish intrinsic motivation. Its effect is conditional. When compensation systems are perceived as fair, transparent, clearly linked to performance, and meaningfully differentiated, they may reinforce intrinsic motivation. But when systems are perceived as controlling, opaque, or inequitable, they may produce a crowding out effect. This means design quality and employee perception are central. The primary contribution of this review is the development of the performance based compensation index. Rather than treating compensation elements separately, the PBCI integrates four empirically supported dimensions into a coherent framework. This integrative approach addresses prior fragmentation in the literature and provides a structured basis for evaluating how compensation design influences intrinsic motivation. The findings emphasize that compensation, design quality, shapes motivational outcomes. Performance based pay is not inherently harmful. Poorly designed systems are. Compensation must signal competence, preserve autonomy, and ensure fairness. For mission driven organizations, this insight is particularly relevant. Even when financial resources are limited, fairness, clarity, and meaningful differentiation remain within leadership control. For me, this review connects directly to my professional journey. In NGOs and academic institutions, budgets are often constrained, yet expectations remain high. We may not always compete financially, but we can design systems that are transparent, fair, and respectful of intrinsic motivation. This study reinforces that compensation is not merely a financial mechanism. It is a structural signal of value. When designed thoughtfully, it can sustain both performance and purpose. Thank you.